Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bionka Deyon, and we're back with a sneakerology video, period. So today, I told y'all in my last video, y'all thought I was playing. I was dead serious, okay? So I ordered some ReShoevn8r, okay? This is like one of the most well-known like sneaker care brands in the nation. Like, I've been knowing about ReShoevn8r since I was in like high school, but I'm gonna specifically show you guys today just unboxing what I did order from ReShoevn8r. And if you guys want to see a full review, just let me know down in the comments section below, okay? So the first thing in my box that I see are the ReShoevn8r laundry pads. These are laundry pods. I'm so sorry, like pod, P-O-D. So these are the laundry pods. It comes with 18 of them. And they basically say that one pod is to go in the ReShoevn8r laundry pouch. I think I got a laundry pouch. I don't know. We'll find out. It's a formula. It says the ReShoevn8r sneaker laundry detergent is proven formula crafted to specifically clean, condition, and remove locked-in odors, providing the deepest clean possible. This detergent is the perfect complement to take your ReShoevn8r cleaning kits to the next level. So yeah, I guess these are specifically for shoes. I did see them use it on the, I believe them are the white cement 3s, which is what I really want to clean. I want to clean my white cement 3s. I want to clean my white cements and my true blues. So if you guys, like I said, if you want a review, you gotta let me know. Next thing out the box is this is it right here. This is it. This is the ReShoevn8r water and stain repellent. This is the best stain repellent you can get on the market. It lasts the longest. I know that Jason Mark repellent lasts up to, I believe, 4 weeks. Crep lasts 3 to 4 weeks. This one lasts 6 to 8 weeks depending on how much you wear your shoes. So that's why I definitely wanted to get this. It says this is the ultimate protection for your shoes. It's fast drying, can be used on almost any material to protect against dirt and stains. So now we got another box. Cute. Okay. So what how you open? Oh, duh, it's a tear here. Okay, so I'm gonna tear there. Okay, so these are my sneaker wipes. I wanted to get some sneaker wipes just so I can keep them on bed. This is how they look. Let me zoom in. This is the ReShoevn8r sneaker wipes. And what it say? It's a tear open to gently wipe. Girl, hooked on phonics. Tear open package. Gently wipe shoe with smooth surface. If dirt remains, switch to the textured side. So basically, one side is smooth, one side is textured, just to give you a little more deeper clean. If your shoes is that dirty, maybe somebody scuffed your shoes while you was out, keep one of these on your period. Okay, so this is the collapsible bowl that I did order. So it's basically you have your own bowl just for cleaning your shoes. So you know how like you can use like your little bowl you got in the kitchen. Like some people just use a bowl in the kitchen and stuff like that. This is a collapsible bowl, so you can basically open it up and you put your water and your cleaning solution in here, and it collapses just for better storage. This is the cleaning mat. So basically now you have somewhere you ain't gotta worry about messing up your mama furniture or nothing like that, because now you have a cleaning mat that not only absorbs, but it's specifically for you cleaning your shoes. So basically you can put your shoes on the mat and it'll absorb as much of the water as it can, just in case maybe you accidentally spill some out your collapsible bowl or anything like that. You can go ahead and use this mat so you can be able to, you know, clean up that stuff. Okay, all right, this is the big baller right here. This is the signature shoe cleaning kit. Okay, take the plastic off. When you open your kit, this is how it looks. So as you can see, I got 2 shoe horns. So when I clean my shoe, I got two shoe horns, so when I clean my shoe, I won't have any excessive creasing, probably more than the creasing I already do have. So this helps out with that, and this is also can be used like, you know, like that trick that people doing where they get their creases out. You can use a shoe horn, maybe fill it up a little bit so it can push up on the toe so you can get them creases out your shoes too. This is kind of the same thing like the mat, but this is just the microfiber towel so you can wipe off your shoe when you done cleaning it. I do got it. This is the sneaker laundry bag. I was like, I think I ordered it, but it come in the kit. So this is a sneaker laundry bag, and I think this is so cute because right here at the tutorials I was looking at, right here they have this little pocket for you, and with this pocket you put your sneaker pod in there, basically the cleaning pod, but you also put your shoelaces in here too. So the only thing that will be in here is your shoe. Next thing you have in here is your cleaning solution. So to open it, tear right there. I'm not doing it because I want to take a picture for my Instagram. So this is the cleaning solution. This does not, let me see. Okay, so you use 4 ounces of water. So they tell you how much water you should use, and you add a small amount of the ReShoevn8r cleaning solution. They say that if you get this solution, it can clean up to, I'm gonna put it right here, I think it say it can clean up to 80 pairs of shoes, just this whole bottle. So that's live. Another thing too, this is 100% natural. So this is a 100% all natural formula that cleans effectively, conditions, and is safe to use on most materials. And the last thing that you get in here is it comes with your 3 brushes, okay? So you get a stiff brush, which you can use on the bottom of your shoes, and also if you need a deeper clean. I see a lot of people use the stiffer one when they want to get under the shoe and like clean, what is that called? Like the sole? Yeah, I think. And then this is the soft bristle brush. So you usually start your wash off with the soft bristle brush. This one is, oh, it tells you. Okay, hold on. Reading is fundamental. Okay, so the stiff bristle brush is specifically crafted for effective cleaning on soles, I knew I was right, and non-painted midsoles. Then you got your soft bristle brush. Your soft bristle brush is specifically crafted on effective cleaning on suede, mesh, knit, or any other delicate materials. I personally probably will use this on all of my shoes just because I want to start out with the soft one, just to, you know, get the solution starting to get on the shoe. So I would start out with this one first. Then you have your medium bristle brush, which is specifically crafted to effectively clean on leather, nubuck, plastic, and rubber. So this will work for any shoe basically. So I still got my Concords from 2011, and they are starting to not yellow as much, but on the bottom, and I just want to see like if it's gonna get that white back white, if my patent leather gonna be shiny like it's fresh out the box. And I also been looking at different ways that you can ice up your sole again, so I'm definitely gonna try to ice up my sole. This is the finished unboxing. If you guys want to see a review, then let me know in the comment section below. I'm down to do a review, whether it's on the stain repellent, whether it's on, you want to see me go from dirty shoe to a clean shoe, maybe you even want to see me use these sneaker wipes. Thank you guys for being here and staying through the whole video to watch my unboxing. If you guys have any questions or any concerns or any comments that you want to leave, then leave them things down below. Also, for my people that like Afterpay, they got Afterpay. 4 installments, period. It came super quick too, like the shipping. I think I ordered this, what day did it come? So I ordered it on 6/12, and it came like in the middle of the week. So I believe it came on like the 14th or the 15th or something like that. It shipped really fast. I did order this on June 12th, and on June 12th they were doing all of their, not all, 25% of their proceeds was going to Campaign Zero. If you guys aren't familiar with Campaign Zero, this is basically an organization that focuses on just police reformation overall and police reconstruction. They're big on, you'll see them where, I know a lot of people have been posting like the 8 Can Wait that derived from Campaign Zero, and they're also very big on police brutality and making sure that the policemen that do police brutality, that they get the justice that they deserve. They're very big on that. I'll also leave some more stuff about Campaign Zero at the bottom of my video in the description box. And thank you guys for tuning in to episode 2 of Sneakerology.